If you're facing connection issues while you're trying to connect your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone, then in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, first of all, just make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your Android phone. Now, if it is disabled, just turn it on. And also, if you leave your phone far from your band while you're trying to connect your band with your phone, then it will not connect, since your band will be out of the reach of the Bluetooth signal. Now, if you have done that and if you're still facing connection issues, then for the next step, just open the Google Play Store on your Android phone, and in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just check if there is any software update available for the Galaxy Wearable app. If there is an update available, just update the software of the Galaxy Wearable app. Then tap on Open, and from here, just tap on Band Settings. Then tap on Band Software Update, and from here, just tap on Download and Install. Now, just check if there is any software update available for the Galaxy Fit 3 or not. If there is an update available, just update the software of the Galaxy Fit 3. After you do that, then check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not fix your issue, then the next step is just restart both of these devices. Now on your Android phone, just open the power menu, then select Reboot. Now to reboot your Galaxy Fit 3, just press and hold the side button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now just keep pressing the side button. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release the side button. After your phone and your band finishes restarting, then just try to connect them using the Galaxy Wearable app. But if this also did not fix your issue, then just follow the next step. For that, just go to your home screen, and on your Android phone, just tap and hold on the Galaxy Wearable app. Then tap on the eye icon, and from here, just tap on Storage. Now just clear the cache of the Galaxy Wearable app. Select Clear Cache and tap on OK. After you do that, then go back and tap on App Permissions. And from here, just make sure you give the Galaxy Wearable app all the necessary permissions, especially the permission to nearby devices. Just make sure you select Allow. Just like that. Now after you do that, then go to your home screen and open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now just try to pair your phone with your band and check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is just perform a hard reset on your Galaxy Fit 3. For that, just open the Galaxy Fit 3, then open the app drawer. And from here, just tap on Settings. And under Settings, just tap on General. Tap on Reset, then tap on Reset. And once you do that, you will perform a hard reset on your Galaxy Fit 3. After the hard reset process is completed, then just try to pair your phone with your band. As you can see, this is the first time setup screen. Now just select your language. Then on your Android phone, just pair your Android phone with your band using the Galaxy Wearable app. And this is how you can fix the connection issues while you're trying to connect your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.